Here's Lexica.art tutorial. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Lexica for art AI image generation. So make sure you watch this video till the end and to know how you can use Lexica for art AI image generation. So yeah, this is basically the website that I'm in right now, and I'm using Google Chrome. So Lexica.art, you have to write in and you'll get into this website. So basically, this is basically an image generator which uses AI, and as all can see, there are many examples that many users have used, just like this one, as all can see. And you can copy its prompt, and I'll show you how you can use other prompts for later and how you can do stuff with it. And by the way, you can download each and every stuff from this, and it has no copyright. And I'm gonna show you every little single feature and its detail on how you can use Lexica and how you can image generate. So first of all, let's just scroll through pictures and show you the idea of AI image generation. So as you can see, some photos are very realistic, but these are made by AI, and these people literally don't exist. But some are fictional characters, and some are like you can imagine editing and it will show up. So let's just go up and talk about its history. So in history, you get this camera roll type thing, but when you go to home, and it's like when you make an or generate an image, it will show you it in the history of your image generation, that how you can use it. And basically we get likes right over here. So likes is basically when you go to home, and here as all can see, you found a picture that you like. Let's see, this one, or maybe even this one. So you can just heart it, and as you all can see, I haven't signed in. Let's just sign in. So I'm just gonna use my usual account to sign in. And as you can see, I have this picture right over here. So when I go to like, I haven't liked it yet, but I'm just gonna go ahead and find another picture just like this one. But when I like this, as you can see, I have liked this picture. And when I go to my likes, this picture is in my liked. So yeah, that's how you can use likes. Let's just go to accounts. And that's basically membership. We'll get onto it later. But for now, let's just go to generate. And in generate, as you can see, it's pretty basic on how you can generate pictures. So as you can see, you have to describe your image first. And describing your image, as you can see, they have given an example: a cute mouse pilot wearing avatar Google's Unreal Engine render 8K. So you can do something like this too, just like Spider-Man jumping from a building, and then write Unreal Engine render. Then again give it this and 8K with it. So yeah, and then after that, in a negative prompt, you have to put in just type in text and press generate. So as you all can see, I can generate because I have to get the subscription. Without the subscription, I cannot generate any type of image for myself or use. So let's just talk about their memberships and their like plans. So first of all, we get starter, but these are yearly plans. Let's go for month, and let's say if you want to use this for monthly. But in yearly plans, you have to you can save like 20%. But in starter, these both are same, but as you can see, the only prices vary. But here, as you all can see, we get started right over here. In starter, we get 1,000 fast generations per month, no slow generations, 2 parallel fast generation, commercial license solo, and images are public. And then in Pro, we get 3,000 fast generations per month. And in here, you get for a month too, but you will get a year subscription, so you can use it unlimitedly till a month. But then after that, we get unlimited slow generations. On starter, we didn't get that, but in Pro, we get unlimited slow generations. Then we get 3 parallel fast generation, commercial license. It's no solo this time, and we can the images will be on public. But then we get to see max. In max, there is a lot more fast generation, just like 7,000. Then we get to see unlimited slow generation. So you get unlimited slow generations in both Pro and Max. Then we get 3 parallel fast generations. After that, we get to see commercial license, save, and the last option is that you can keep your images private. So yeah, these are the starter packs and memberships. So let's just go down and see how it does work. So how their plan limit work. So if you go over the plan limit, they will ask you to upgrade. So as you can see, I'm in free plan, and I've generated 0 of 0 images. So usage calculated, and it's telling me that I haven't. But what is fast generation, and of how can I buy more fast generations? So yeah, these are just basic stuff, and they don't accept PayPal. But yeah, you can clear out your misconceptions and whatever you want to know. But yeah, there we can see. We can just search for any image. Let's just type in Spider-Man and search. And as you can see, we get to see a lot of Spider-Man right over here. So there are many pictures that are generated already, and these are literally generated by people, and you can generate your own by just using your own plans if you got any plans. So as you can see, I literally don't have any subscription plan or anything I cannot generate, but once you have the plans for your stuff, you can just directly generate any type of pictures you want just by getting the plans. So yeah, I think they should have given a one week trial or even 3 days trial just to check out how good the work or the stuff is. But yeah, there you can generate your pictures, and you can just find any type of picture that you want. Let's say you don't want to generate, but you can just type in anything and you'll get just like I'm just gonna type in something very random, and let's just search. And as you can see, we get to see every little single thing right over here. You can go for anything, just like a boy gaming, and you'll see this as you can see. So yeah, that's basically it on how you can use Lexica for art image AI generation. So yeah, I hope I helped you guys out, and this video was helpful for you. So yeah, peace out.